Hey Diane, I just wanted to show you how you can edit. When you log in to Squarespace and you click on your website, on your dashboard, you should see all of this pop up. You're going to click Pages just so you can see kind of how your website's laid out right here, the main navigation. But then you'll click, so say like you're on the home page but you want to edit your menu, you can either click menu right here or even on the actual website. Then you'll click edit, and then each box, so this is when you see these little circles right here, that's where you can insert a photo, a quote, text. Let me show you something. So I just added a photo, and you're able to move these around too. So I can move it under there, I can move it to the right, but see that kind of messes it up. So I want to put it back under there, or I want it under the image. Anyway, I'll leave that there in case you want to add more photos. But you should be able to double click and edit the menu. So for whatever reason, the menu's in a pop-up, and each thing is kind of formatted to this menu design, but you can come in here and change each thing. So like basically, yeah, you can come in here and change all the text that you want. Add your menu items, descriptions, and prices, and when you follow the format patterns below, your text transforms into different menu sections if you need more help with that. But basically, if you hit return, it looks like it's two returns, then the title line, then you press return, and then it formats it to just be the text, like plain text underneath. And then when you want something bold and large, you put those dash lines underneath. So you'll see like flavor of the month is the same way. So that's how you edit the menu. That's the only place where it's a little trickier, like in this pop-up menu. Let me show you just on the home page. So then you have to say done and save to save your items. That image box is still there. I'll leave it there if you want to add your popcorn to it. But basically, that is the menu. But like, say like you want to go back home, you're like, oh, I actually wanted to edit the text over here. You can just double click into the box. So the menu was the only place. The way Squarespace had it set up was like a pop out, just so everything's formatted consistently. So hopefully that helps. You can also go, I did want to show you with events. For that, you're going to do a new blog post. So you'll do something like this. You'll do the plus sign, and then you'll enter your title and then all your text right here. You can add images, all the things that you want to add. You could add a slideshow of an event, a grid of the images, and like just like a summary of one of your events, and then you hit publish. But I will delete that because obviously you don't want, and then you can change, it doesn't have to be written by me. I think it defaults to me. Done. I don't know why it defaults to me, but you can change settings, and then options, and then the author. You can do Diane or Cami, and then save it there. So you'll just save it. If you want to change who posted it, you'll just save it under settings, and then you'll go to options, and then you'll go to author and just drop down to your name. So these you can save. So like right now it's just a draft. No one's going to see it on the website. And you can delete them, you can duplicate them if you have like a similar format or it's the same event and all you have to do is edit dates. That's helpful. But those are kind of the three ways you edit text. The events page and the menu are a little bit different from just like a text box on the home page or even on your story page. It's just a text box that you can double click in. So hopefully, oh, gonna sneeze. Excuse me, recorded the sneeze. Hopefully that helped you. And let me know if you have any questions after this. Okay, bye.